Hi everyone, here we've got REALME X2 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down and find the About phone. Let's tap on it. As you can see here, we've got the version, and this is the option on which we should focus. If you will open the developer options for the very first time, then under the version you will have the info that you have to tap on it 7 times. Obviously I do not have this information because I've already turned on the developer options, so let me pretend that I am tapping on it 7 times, and after that you will see the info that you're in a developer mode. As you can see, this operation is not required in my case because I've already opened the developer mode. So now we can go back, and here we have to tap on additional settings, and under accessibility we've got developer options. So let's enter, and as you can see here we've got a lot of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can turn on the option to do not use lock screen. We can turn on the picture color mode. What's more, here we've got some options connected to the Bluetooth. Here we've got some input and drawing, so we can show the visual feedback for tabs. We can show surface updates, layout bounds. We can change window animation, zoom or transition animation scale. Actually a lot of advanced options which we can customize. So in order to turn on the feature, just tap on the switcher on it. So for example, let me pick the pointer location, and as you can see, it has been immediately applied and activated. So from now on it will be visible. Of course, you can turn it off just by going back to the option and tapping on the switcher again. If you can see the options without the switcher, for example like here, all you have to do is simply tap on it in order to open much more settings. So let me get back, and actually this is it. This is how to customize developer options. That just take time and have fun with those options. Of course, be aware that they are advanced, so before turning something on or changing something, then just read about it, for example in the internet, because you don't want to harm your device, right? So if you are done with customization of developer options, you can turn them off just by tapping on this switcher right here. As you can see, they immediately disappear, and after getting back you can still see the developer options. So once you will activate them by tapping on the version number, then they will always stay under the accessibility. All you can do actually in order to turn them on or off is just by tapping on this switcher. So actually that's all. This is how to enable developer options in your REALME X2 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.